Hi guys, welcome to Organic Facts. In this video, we will talk about the 8 simplest and easiest ways to treat dark underarms. If you love wearing tank tops and dark underarms are stopping you from fitting in the outfit, try out any of these remedies and style up. Rubbing a slice of lemon on the underarms after a shower can help you lighten the skin. You could apply yogurt on the underarms and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes before washing it off. Baking soda and chickpea flour mixed with small quantities of water can be used as a scrub for dark underarms. Sandalwood paste can be applied on dark underarms to ease any burning sensations and reduce the darkening. A mixture of lemon juice and turmeric, when applied to underarms, works as a great skin lightening agent. Rubbing cucumber slices on dark underarms gives you a cooling effect as well as light underarms. Always opt for alcohol-free deodorants to avoid skin darkening. Avoid shaving as it can cause skin irritation and underarm darkening. Use these home remedies to say goodbye to dark underarms and wear your tank tops with ease.
If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. If you are new to the channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from Organic Facts.